Every universe has an origin point, a moment where an idea refuses to stay small. For the Starfighters universe, that origin begins with a simple question. What if Earth wasn't waiting to be saved? The Starfighters universe is based on a three-book science fiction series titled Starfighters Defending Earth, written by Bruce Goldwell. At its core, the series explores a familiar but powerful sci-fi premise, an approaching alien threat, and humanity's first real test as a planetary civilization. But instead of focusing on elite military forces alone, the story asks something different. What if the next generation was already being watched? Like many science fiction fans, I grew up inspired by stories such as The Last Starfighter, the idea that ordinary people could be quietly recruited for extraordinary roles. That concept stuck with me. But Starfighters takes that idea in a different direction. Instead of a single chosen hero, this universe explores a global recruitment. Teenagers from around the world, selected not for perfection but for potential. In the Starfighters universe, an alien visitor arrives on Earth with a purpose. Not to conquer, not to rule, but to prepare. An alien force is approaching Earth, one that humanity is not yet ready to face alone. So a decision is made. Recruit, train, and prepare young pilots from across the globe before it's too late. What follows is not just a battle for survival, but a story about responsibility, cooperation, and what it means for Earth to finally take its place among the stars. As the books developed, it became clear that Starfighters was bigger than a single story. It wasn't just about defending Earth, it was about how civilizations respond to first contact, how young people rise when given responsibility, and how the future is shaped long before the first battle begins. That's when Starfighters evolved, from a book series into a universe. This channel exists to explore that universe, its ideas, its structure, and where it can go next. From the books that started it all, to the worlds, experiences, and stories still waiting to be explored. This is the origin of the Starfighters universe. And we're just getting started.